Soft and pink lips are something all desires. Not only does it improve your appearance, but also is a sign that your lips are healthy. Chapped or dark pigmented lips are a concern to many, but with simple remedies, you can easily lighten your lips, make them soft and pink. Here are some easy ways to get soft pink lips. Number 1. Rose. Rose extract is one of the best home remedies for pink lips. It helps to lighten the dark lips and make it soft. Soak some rose petals in a small amount of milk and mix to form a paste. To make it more effective, add few drops of honey. Apply the paste before you go to bed. It will help you to get soft pink lips instantly. Number 2. Lemon and sugar scrub. Lemon is an excellent skin lightening agent. The bleaching property in lemon works well as a simple yet very powerful remedy for dark lips. The vitamin C present in lemon makes your lips pink. Sugar helps remove dead skin cells present on your lips and restores the natural shining and color. Cut a thin slice from the lemon, sprinkling a bit of sugar on top, and rub your lips with this combination on a regular basis. Number 3. Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate is a delicious, juicy fruit. From the ancient time, the juice of the pomegranate has been used as a good natural healing remedy. It is very effective in lightening dark lips. It also moisturizes and keeps it hydrated all day. Mix a small amount of crushed pomegranate with a few drops of milk cream and rose water. Apply this paste on your lips and gently scrub for a few minutes. Do this once daily. Number 4. Turmeric and Milk. Mix some turmeric and milk and make a paste. Apply this paste on your lips. This is an age-old remedy for treating dark lips. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or overnight before washing. Do this twice a week to see desired results. With regular use, your lips will become pink naturally. Number 5. Beetroot. Another easy way to get pink lips in a natural way is to use beetroot. It has natural bleaching properties that can lighten dark lips and also remove any lip pigmentation. Apply fresh beetroot juice on your lips before going to bed. Wash it off the next morning. The natural red color of the juice will turn your dark lips rosy. Do this daily before going to bed. Number 6. Strawberry. This is a great ingredient to lighten your lips. It is loaded with antioxidants and minerals that protect your lips from UV damages. The ellagic acid in strawberry removes dark spots, so lips get rosy or pinkish rapidly. Mix 1 tablespoon of strawberry juice with 2 tablespoons of petroleum jelly. Use this mixture as a lip balm twice daily. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.